distinguished members of the print and electronic media, my esteemed colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. It is with immense pride and privilege that I address you all on this momentous occasion of 61st BSF Raising Day, which will be celebrated on 1st December 2025. This day is not just a date on calendar. It is a celebration of 6 decades of outstanding valor, unparalleled dedication, and unflinching commitment to the nation, defined by our enduring motto, Jeevan Parant Kartav. As you know that this force was raised on 1st December 1965 under the visionary leadership of Founder Director General Shri K.F. Rustamji, IP. The force was raised with 25 battalions, and now this has turned into a formidable force of 193 battalions. It is giving security to the national borders, 6,400 kilometers of international borders with Pakistan and Bangladesh is being guarded by this force. Besides that, the force has also done extremely well in quelling various menaces all in the country. That is to say, in Punjab, the anti-militancy operations, controlling counter-insurgency operations in northeastern states, and the terrain of the force where the force is deployed includes the snow-clad peaks of Kashmir, deserts of Rajasthan, and dense forest of northeast. However, BSF's mandate has extended beyond the international borders. We have consistently excelled in all the operations that I have said, and a specific transformative role to anti-Naxal operations, the BSF was deployed in the state of Odisha in year 2010. Initial deployment was in districts of Malkangiri and Koraput with 5 battalions each. And thereafter we have now deployed in district of Koraput, Malkangiri, Baud, Kalahandi and Kandhmal. Besides that, for a few spells, Raigada and Navrangpur also witnessed our deployment there. With the active support and synergy of Odisha government, particularly Odisha police, the BSF has been instrumental